Rescue in story mode. Watch. This is how it began.
Runaway train. The orphans.
Here comes Bullseye. Do we get to ride him as part of this?
Evil Dr. Porkchop.
That's Mr. Evil Dr. Porkchop to you. And I've got a score to settle with you, Sheriff Woody.
Alright. As we wait for this to load, we'll get to it. And let's get to it now.
Faster, Bullseye! You gotta save the train and don't
Make sure to grab cards. See how we give it up when he doesn't want. Get to actually have that. Perfect. Didn't die at all. Awesome.
Yeah, Bullseye!
Never try that in real life, guys. Alright, we're on the train now. This is the one we're gonna defeat Ham, or Evil Dr. Porkchop. Whatever you want to call him. Stupid dumb head? Whatever. Let's get to it. Make sure to get these balls. Sounds weird, right? Get your balls.
I'll create a diversion while you save the orphan.
I got to save the orphans.
Got a card. We don't need help here. Double jump. There's crates that have balls in them, guys. Pick them up, guys. Yes, I love this part. We get to actually torture. Oh, we get to torture aliens. To explode on this game. Oh, God. No, not this. What the heck are these cows? What are these cows? Perfect. Thanks, man. This actually helped me in the game, basically. If you didn't put that down, I wouldn't have been able to get up there. Oh! Don't go in there. Oh, now you're gonna shoot me as well while I'm playing? Okay. I mean, today is 420 anyway. I mean, it would kind of be fair. Or at least the day I'm making this video is 420. Happy 420 day to everyone. It's not really that happy. I don't know. you, but you have to hit the target on Evil's Actual Pork Chop, the ball thing that you guys saw, and I hit it off screen. So I already won.
And so the evil Dr. Porkchop was
Story
defeated,
time.
and the orphan train made it safely to its destination.
Wait a sec. You had a giant pig ship and a fleet of attack drones, and you lost to a cowboy on a horse?
The iPad severely hampered my depth perception.
Oh, right. Blame the iPad.
Anyway, back to the game board.
Which, if I can say, is seriously impressive. I cannot believe you built this.
Yeah, well, I wanted to create a map that featured all of the significant landmarks we encountered on our exciting journey here.
Hey, what's this? Can we go to Andy's
Oh,
house?
watch it, Rex. Just knocked Al's toy barn into the pond.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
Metalhead, I'm gonna have to reset the whole town.
Pardon me? What's this area again?
Hey, good eye, my prickly friend. That is a special part of the game called Woody's Roundup. You can roam free, upholding justice as a sheriff in the Old West.
Ooh, go there? Really? Let's go.
Only if a certain lizard brain promises not to stop at the smithereens.
I probably won't. I promise.
What? How do you promise that you probably won't? Okay, that's the end of the video. I mean, that was a quick video. That was only 12 minutes. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back another time.